Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are just driving around this place and also eat some street food which I so like. So come along. Just stand there, mama, waiting for our food. Peke yake, si uniongeze? Yeah. Sitaki yenye iko na mafuta. The meat was good. I have been eating a lot of mishkaki since I got here. Anyway, now we are headed to this hotel that's in the bush. I think it has good views. So right now we are just checking in at the gate. So see you when inside. Wow. It's like a waterfall. See. This place is beautiful and the nature that surrounds it. There's a waterfall not far from here, but we didn't have an appropriate outfit for a jungle walk. This is my first drink at the moment, and actually the only beer I've been drinking. After a long day, we are now headed home. We did have a great time driving around. Anyway, see you on the next video.